Today, I am reviewing the Dell Inspiron 16 laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this laptop for yourself, be sure to check the link in the description. At the heart of this laptop is the AMD Ryzen 7-8840U processor, part of AMD's latest lineup, built to handle heavy workloads with ease. With 8 cores and 16 threads, and speeds that can turbo boost up to 5.1 GHz, this chip is not just fast, it's future-ready. Whether you're juggling massive spreadsheets, editing videos, working on presentations, or multitasking with dozens of browser tabs, the performance here is incredibly fluid and snappy. Paired with 16GB of DDR5 RAM, this laptop has the memory to keep up with demanding software and real-world multitasking. DDR5, for those unfamiliar, is the latest standard of RAM. It's significantly faster and more power-efficient than DDR4. So you're not just getting more memory, you're getting better memory. Storage-wise, the 1TB solid-state drive provides more than enough space for your projects, applications, and files, while also delivering lightning-fast boot-up times and application launches. Everything just feels instantaneous. If you're used to traditional hard drives or even older SSDs, the speed improvement is night and day. Now, let's talk about the display. This Dell Inspiron features a 16-inch Full HD Plus screen with a resolution of 1920 by 1200. It's a bit taller than the typical 1080p screen, giving you more vertical space. Perfect for reading documents, editing photos, or viewing web pages without constant scrolling. It's also anti-glare, which helps reduce reflections, making it much easier to use in bright environments like cafes, offices, or even near windows. The 60 Hz refresh rate is smooth and ideal for work, media consumption, and casual entertainment. While it's not a high-refresh gaming screen, it's more than capable for streaming, presentations, Zoom meetings, and general productivity. Now, let's touch on the design and build. The ice blue finish gives the laptop a fresh, clean, and professional look. It's subtle, modern, and stands out just enough. Plus, the backlit keyboard not only looks great, it's practical too, making typing in dim lighting or at night far more comfortable. Pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro, you're getting all the latest features, including improved productivity tools, better security, and native support for Android apps. It's tailored for professionals and power users, with tools like Remote Desktop, BitLocker, and Group Policy Management built right in. On the connectivity side, Dell doesn't disappoint. You get 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A ports, a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C, and an HDMI 1.4 output, along with a headphone and microphone combo jack. Whether you're plugging in external monitors, transferring files via USB, or connecting peripherals, you'll be covered. Also included is Wi-Fi 6E, which offers faster, more stable wireless connections with lower latency and less interference, especially in homes or offices with lots of devices. And of course, Bluetooth support is also on board for your wireless accessories. When it comes to video calls or content creation, the full HD webcam and dual-array microphones deliver clear, crisp visuals and voice. Whether you're in a business meeting, recording content, or catching up with family, you'll look and sound professional every time. So who's this laptop for? If you're a business professional, student, content creator, or even a remote worker who needs a reliable, fast, and modern machine, the Dell Inspiron 16 fits the bill perfectly. It strikes a strong balance between performance, portability, and premium features, without the inflated price tag of some other premium ultrabooks. In summary, the Dell Inspiron 16 is a well-engineered, no-nonsense laptop that delivers where it counts. You get powerful specs with the Ryzen 7, cutting-edge DDR5 RAM, ample storage, and a vibrant display, all in a sleek and professional design. Plus, with Windows 11 Pro and Wi-Fi 6E, it's built to handle not just today's tasks, but tomorrow's as well. If you're in the market for a dependable productivity machine that won't slow you down, this might be the upgrade you've been waiting for.